Ndabeni Abrahams uchaze kabanzi ngesu elizosetshenziswa umnyango wakhe ukuthuthukisa amabhizinisi amancane.
We are fundamentally changing the business environment in which small enterprises operate. Fellow hustlers, we've recently developed the National Integrated Small Enterprise Master Plan, which is aimed at better coordinating small enterprise support, as well as drastically scaling up financial and non-financial support through leveraging and focusing the efforts of other stakeholders, including the private sector.
Uthi basezinhlelweni zokusungula ihhovisi elizobhekela izikhalo kanye nezinxushunxushu ezenzeka emabhizinisini asakhula.
We also are establishing the Office of the SMME Ombuds to provide easy alternative dispute resolutions for SMMEs. One of our key instruments to address market power is the localization framework, which we developed and was approved by Cabinet.
Kuneminxa ethile okuzogxilwa kuyona uma kuthuthukiswa amabhizinisi amancane.
We have taken a deliberate decision to grow SMMEs in sectors like agro-processing, the energy sector, mining, the digital economy, pharmaceuticals, and manufacturing.
Isiqubulo sakulonyaka sithi research, reveal, and recover significant role of localization, okuchaza ukugqugquzela ukuthengwa kwemikhiqizo yakulelizwe. NginguCalvin Dludla, wezindaba ze-SABC, ngibika ngiseGoli.